Today we're doing a review on Surecan and this battery operated siphon pump. Found this at Tractor Supply. Saw another video on YouTube about it. Looked pretty interesting. Don't necessarily need it with a Surecan, but I want to see if it works with the Surecan so that way I got more options. So all I gotta do is take it out. Just get the hose, and this part goes into the gas can. It's got a switch up here. So it says it takes 2 D-size batteries. And right there it says positive down. And let's put the lid back on. You can kind of hear it. And let's go test it out. See if it works. So for the Surecan, it's got this little nozzle here that you unscrew and then you swing down, take the safety off and squeeze the handle. So it's not like a normal gas can. You don't hardly spill anything unless you really try hard on it. And very durable, very thick, nice heavy duty, well built. But trying to hold it up for a while because it does drain a little bit slower. You don't have to take that off because there's actually a hole under here that lets air in as you're pumping gas out. So we'll see if this expedites it anymore. Let's go around to the back and check it out. Holes on top, so this would go straight down. This, however, is going to be at an angle, just like that. Oh, there's first issue. Hose isn't quite long enough. Got something for that. There we go. Plenty of room now. So I got just shy of 5 gallons in here. It's right there. Turn it on. Pumping away. Probably speed up that process, but it's easier to hold that than it is to hold this so far. I think when I get down to the bottom here, I'm gonna have to tip the gas can. Alright, well that's about as much as I can get out. And there's, you'll be able to see it down in there. Very little left in there. So if you can't get the rest of it out, so to do so, you just push down. Got a lock on that. So when I first got these, I got them from Surecan. Got 3 gas and a couple of diesel cans, especially after the hurricane came through. And one of these was missing when I got it, so they sent me a whole new, all this and a new cap. Pretty handy. Very good company. So just put that in there, move that, squeeze the handle, and there's a little lever down in there that lifts up over the hole, and then it just drains down. So the pump got probably a couple of cups out, since I'm all the way empty right there now. Slash around, make sure I get everything out. That's it. So instead of having to hold the 5 gallons, which takes about 2.5 minutes or so, last time I timed it for a full gas can to go in there, put that on there and do it half the time and you not have to hold it. So do more review on that, but so far works good. And of course there's a plane flying over. Noisy. But I took the stickers off the gas can, so normally there's other paper stickers on there. Surecan, thumbs up. Battery operated pump, also thumbs up.